Hello and welcome to Teachings in Education. I am your narrator, Frank Avella. Other health impairment, a category of students with disabilities. Here we will cover a number of different topics, but let's begin with its definition. Other health impairment is an umbrella term that encompasses many different types of impairments that result in one or more chronic conditions that are adverse to the child's educational performance, or manifest as limited strength, alertness, or vitality. Next, let's take a look at some characteristics of OHI students. Just by its nature, other health impairments have a wide range of characteristics. For example, students may have attention deficit disorder. Other characteristics include students with diabetes, either of the types, cardiovascular diseases, nephritis. OHI even includes children that have asthma and breathing difficulties to the point where it's a big problem. Now, let's take a look at how prevalent this disability is among students classified as having a disability. According to a recent study, other health impairments make up about 14% of students receiving special education services. Earlier studies have the percentage as low as 13%. The next topic in the presentation covers some of the causes of the disability. OHI students may have diabetes, and that is caused by an immune system malfunction. ADHD may be caused by genetics, amongst other factors. Remember, OHI covers many different health problems such as hepatitis and even debilitating asthma that may be caused by pollen. Epilepsy can cause students to be classified also. Just know that there are a number of different factors that can cause this disability. Continuing, we'll take a look at some of the challenges that these students might face. For example, many of these children are at serious health risk, and their safety issues supersede many of their academic challenges. The other major challenge is that many times these children have to deal with attention deficit issues that can really hinder their ability to succeed in an academic setting. Right now, I want to take a quick break and ask that you subscribe to this channel, and don't forget to hit the thumbs up button. Anyway, let's get back to this presentation. As for assistive technology, it's hard to focus on just one because there are many causes and characteristics of OHI. But one of the best things teachers can do is to help them with their organizational skills, check on their notebooks, provide calculators, manipulatives. And now we come upon the last section of the presentation, which are some tips for teachers. Teachers must provide necessary modifications and accommodations for these students. Each student is different, so as a teacher I recommend reading the IEP very thoroughly. Some common modifications and accommodations include extended time for testing, providing organizational checklists to students so that they don't get off track. Teachers may want to highlight important concepts from the content to better help them understand. So right now I want to say thank you for your time. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, hit the thumbs up button, and share this presentation. And check the description for links to resources as well.